birdies, my little friends. It's like the Randy Rhoads of bird song, you know? Guys, what like he's playing a freaking Stratocaster. The birds around here are great, you know, they're good birds. I was gonna say good people, but they're good birds. They got hollow bones, you know. I mean, how can you not like something with the hollow bones? Little birdies, can you sing me a song? I'll try to sing along. I left my heart in San Francisco. What, nothing? They're like, what the hell? We don't know that one. They flew away. Okay, forget that song. Sweet Emily May, she got up and walked away. I watched her walk across that green grass by the side of the pond. Oh, sweet Emily May, if I only knew that was the last day at sea. Ah, fuck that. What do you guys want to hear? Talking to the birds. Moon River, wider than a mile, I'll be crossing you in style someday. Oh, the wind's getting on out too. Oh, dream maker. Might even have an earthquake today, because all of nature's like responds to your heart, you know. The birds and the wind and the earthquakes. What? You know why earthquakes are bad? It's for assholes who's controlled by money. That's the only reason. Oh, the fucking earthquake! We gotta get earthquake insurance. I hope an earthquake doesn't hit my building while I'm leasing it out, so I can run my business and make more money, so I can buy more coke, more sex, more fucking drugs, and more cars, and faster, and attorneys, and fucking keep me out of jail, and bail bondsmen, and more drugs, and more fucking Mustang GTs, Corvettes. Dad, I'm in jail. Fucking Peru, baby. Send lawyers, guns, and money, Dad. Well, son, if you just would listen to me on how to run our oil business. Listen, Dad, fuck, I got the oil. I got other endeavors. Son, come on. Moving Peruvian flake isn't quite an endeavor. It's a criminal activity, son. I've tried to tell you this since you were 8, but yeah, you know, I told your mother he's just carving his own path. And you know, as a father, I tried to steer you right, son. I still haven't got. Look at how much garbage I got back in. Look how much I've gotten done so far. Look how much work I've gotten done. Rubber bands, Peruvian flake, calling Dad, lawyers, guns, and money. All right, cut.